folks, I'm with Mike Wolski with Assured Home Inspections, and we're in an attic trying to educate people a little bit more on insulation and the do's and don'ts that you should consider when you are looking at a house and further evaluating. So Mike, we were first talking about insulation.
Yes.
And you were saying that there's a walking path here, but it's built up, and you said that's really important.
Yes, because a lot of times people will put plywood down in their attic to use it as storage space. But if they only have a 2x6 for their ceiling joist, and you put plywood right on top of it, the highest you can get on your insulation is about an R20 or an R19 because you're compressing the insulation down. So what the person here did is they packed it up an extra 2x4's length to get a higher R value on their insulation. So you see in here, it's higher than the rafters and higher than the ceiling joist, which keeps it nice and high. And then in here, they packed it up higher so you can continue with that roughly about an R30 to an R38 insulation value.
Well, it's all about being energy efficient, right? And
Yes.
saving you money, folks. So pay attention when you're going through these attics. Thank you.